Do you have the mic on?
We're back.
Did you put the mic on?
Yes.
You did? Okay.
Yes. See?
Is it automatic?
Ah.
Oh, no. No. B.
There.
Are you still trying to check the mic?
See?
Oh, okay. Okay, so you have to grab the correct color.
What?
What's the Spanish word for green?
Iris.
Verde.
Verde. And that was Iris. I thought it was Iris.
It is?
Yes, Iris. Because Iris is another color for green in Spanish, too.
Is it? Are you sure?
Yes.
Are you just making up words? What happened?
Oh. Wait.
Button presser. B. No, why would you do that?
Wee.
You just trying to jump off the cliff?
So I cannot be tiny.
Oh.
Wee.
Okay, so you got to get the balls to the other side. Go, girl, go.
What? I'm too big, tiny. What? I'm too tiny to push it. Oh no. I hit. Wait, he's the only one who can push them? But we can't.
Are they golf balls?
No. They're just play balls for the best.
Oh, my goodness. You okay?
Yes. Starting with a tiny head.
Oh.
Oh!
Oh, okay, Blue.
Look, my feet are under. See, look at my head is back. More. Yes. Get the purple.
That's actually
Huh?
cute. Your face is cute when you do that.
Oh, yeah. Cause look.
It's so friendly looking. I love it.
Yes.
Don't get caught. You got 28 seconds. I just noticed your jeans too.
Yes.
Okay. Little fashion icon.
Yes.
I love the look.
Yeah.
The fire eyes.
Yes. They're not fire.
Is that the sun?
Yes, that's the sun. Sunny eyes, not fire.
Oh, okay. Pardon me.
Don't
Really
get-
cute.
I'm just pretending I got caught.
This 1% is really holding on, guys.
Yes.
Oh, you need to watch out for Gumby Mike.
Gumby Mike.
Because he has something. So you need to stay away from him.
Oh, I have cold. What?
Oh, man.
I will do a part 4.